Good afternoon. This is your review for promotions management, test 1. Remember, we've got both test A and test B. I'm going to go over some of the most important concepts that you need to study from. So here we go. Understand all of the VALS psychographic segmentation. There's 8 of them. Understand all of them. Also, understand the objectives for brand managers for the internal search process as well as the external search process. Understand the steps in advertising management program. Understand the steps in the IMC program. Understand all of the different examples of marketing objectives. There was a slide on that. Understand the intangible versus tangible components of a corporate image. Understand crowdsourcing. Understand the different roles. There was a slide on it from creatives to account planner, brand manager, the client, the account executive, all of those types of things. Also understand the difference between rejuvenating, reinforcing, and changing an image. Understand a full hire agency versus a boutique agency. There was a slide on that in Chapter 5. Understand all the evaluation criteria in selecting an advertising. That was also in Chapter 5. Understand advertising research. That was in Chapter 5. I think some in Chapter 4 also. Understand, again, the difference between an internal and an external search. Understand a cognitive map. We talked about it, and there's a couple of slides on it. Understand geodemographic segmentation. Actually, understand all the different segmentation methods. There's 7 of them. Understand the communication model, the whole thing from sender all the way through receiver. Understand a corporate image and what is important in a corporate image. I think that was in Chapter 2. Understand, again, the communication process, who is the senders, encoders, vehicle, decoder, etc. Understand the foundation of an IMC program. I believe that was in the first one, the first chapter. Understand all of the current trends in marketing communication. There was 2 slides on that. I think it's in Chapter 5. Understand all of the statements and why branding is important. Understand the difference between affective, cognitive, and conative. You should be able to say that in your sleep, and it's part of the short answer on Test A. Let's see. I'm just reading here. Both tests have the same concepts. I'm just making sure I didn't miss something. Let's keep going. Just a minute. Geodemographics. I got that. Desired corporate image and why it's important. Oh, understand PRISM. PRIZM, it's an acronym. Understand PRISM, what they do. Understand the attitude formation. We had a slide. Affective, cognitive, conative, affective, that type of thing. Understand that sequence of attitude formation and what is most common. Understand the key to using social media successfully. Understand the different members of the buying center, from influencer, user, gatekeeper, and all those types of things. Let's see. Understand all the different segmentation methods. Oh, understand the different names: overt, implied, conceptual, and iconoclastic. Make sure you understand all of those. Again, corporate consumer attitudes is very, very well explored here. Understand the indications of increase in brand parity. Understand the difference between a flanker brand a store brand or a private label brand. And then the question with the short answer with test B would be the different names of corporate names, the iconoclastic, overt, blah, 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 blah. Okay? I think that pretty much does it. I think that will kind of give you a good idea of some of the concepts on the test. Good luck. If anybody has any questions, call me or text me.